Welcome, everybody. I want to go with you and walk you through the 5ers Funded Traders growth process and growth program. When you know already how to trade and you are a profitable trader, we have been told that the best thing of trading is the fact that you can compound your trading, that you can grow your account exponentially, which would look like this. Instead of looking linear, it would look something like this, exponential, and it grows fast and fast and fast. But let me tell you that, in fact, there's a even better and faster and more powerful way to grow your account, which is with our hyper growth process and hyper growth program. We have called it hyper growth because it reminds hyperinflation, or something that grows very, very fast as a snowball that goes and keep growing faster and faster. And if I explain you, the process is just simply as you trade this part of the account, and once you get to a certain milestone, you get a gift. You get a double account trading account. So you get this for free, and then you start trading here. And with this new account, which is double the size you were trading before, you trade it, you grow it, you compound it, and once you hit your target, your next milestone, you get a new funded account double the size, which would look like this. So you have like a jump to the next starting level, and from there you keep growing and growing and growing. So you can see visually how it performs the exponential and compounding process. Now let me walk you through the two different programs and trading programs very, very quickly. You start already funded. There's no evaluation anymore or something like that. So you start at level 1 funded trading, and you can choose either a low risk program or aggressive program. The objective for that level 1 is, in the low risk, 6%. In the aggressive one, it's 12%, and you have a time limit of 6 months or 2 months respectively. And once you complete that, then you jump to a 4 times the size of the account you were trading before. So let's say you start on a 10K account. Once you reach the 6% or 12%, so you get a $40,000 account to trade, and that would be level 2. Now, once you're on level 2, and from that stage on, for every time you reach your target, which is 10% for the low risk and 25% for the aggressive programs, you will get a double in size account. So from 40K, you would jump to 80K, from 80K to 160K, all the way up to $1.2 million. Okay, so you can see again visually how the growing is much faster than the compounding or exponential traditional growing. So you can see here, if you were starting at a 10K account and you have made 6%, in this case you would have 10,600, and in this case at the 5ers you will get a 40,000 account. From there you keep doing 10% return on that account, so that would be your growing. At some point you reach almost 20K, and here at the 5ers you get to 80, 160, 320, all the way to $1.2 million, which is much better than the regular compounding. That's for the low risk. Aggressive, something similar, just the difference is the 12% at the first stage, and then 25% on the next levels. Don't forget that you get paid every month. Your profits are paid every month, but we throw them from your balance. So you keep growing the amount, your balance in your account, while you keep getting paid every profitable month. And this would be how much would you get and profit accumulation. And you can see again, if you were growing at this process, your account, and you were every month taking out 50% of the profits, this is how much you keep at each level. So you can see how we outperform any other kind of growth scheme or growth process, and which is why it's the best alternative right now. So guys, if you already have the skill for trading, choose hyper growth, and we wish you success.